guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the MK3 Supra build. And this is going to be a pretty quick video. I'm going to put tints on the car and I want to just show you guys a before and after. And actually I'm not doing the tints, I'm bringing it somewhere to get done. But I like to do a comparison of this kind of thing. So hopefully it should provide a good comparison before and after. It's about 3 p.m. right now. So basically what I'm doing is a ceramic tint. It's at a place called Tint World and they have like 4 different levels. The one I'm using is like the one right below the highest. So it's like their 3rd level. It's going to be 20% on the rears, 30% up front, which is actually the same that I have on my FRS. And they're going to do 70% on the front windshield, which I think is still pretty visible because I do drive this car in the summer and I plan to be driving it regularly, like fall, winter, and spring. And there's no AC in the car, so the tints definitely help. At least in that car it helps, and there's a whole lot of glass in this. So I want to tint it, also put up some sunshades. So this is what it looks like outside. Hopefully the sun's about the same. So I'm gonna actually change the settings now here because it's pretty bright. Okay, so have it there. See, you can see here, you can see there. You can see. Alright, well I'm gonna take it in and I'll bring it back when there's tints on it. Alright guys, here is the car. From inside, yeah. See the back. I gotta replace that 3rd brake light. So inside the garage now, should have the same settings on here. You could tell a noticeable difference with the car in the background. So this is 20%, 30, 70. You can still see inside. You can still see inside the car. The back's a lot better. So So there's the front from inside here in the garage. And slight difference here, it's super blown out right now because the sun's coming in from that direction. But I feel like it's a noticeable difference without being too dark. Like, I don't think it's gonna affect me at all, even at night. I think they look great. I think it's definitely gonna be great for this car because I want to be able to drive it a lot more often. To be honest, it's starting to get into the fall, it's starting to cool down a little bit, but it's still hot here in Texas, and it's perfect season to be driving this car. A lot of times when I come out of the garage, I don't really even turn on the AC until like 20-30 minutes later if it's not like 100 degrees out. You know, if it's like in the 80s, even 90, it's not too bad to just drive a little bit without the AC on. So having this car, I'll be able to daily it, go to work because I work pretty close. I'll show you guys more of the inside view of the 70% windshield on like a future drive when I can really just set up the camera and get in there and show you guys what it looks like. But it's not too much of a difference with just not having it as far as visibility, but it'll do a whole lot for just keeping it cooler inside the car. So I'm really also guinea pigging that for myself because I want to see how it is day to day. On the FRS, I did not get front windshield tint, didn't even think about it. And looking to possibly get tints on the GR86 or whatever other cars in the future. So I'm just gonna test it out, see how I do daytime and night. That's pretty much it. If you guys are interested in more Supra content, 1JZ content, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.